A Visa gift card may be declined due to several reasons. One common reason is a low balance, as attempting to make a purchase that exceeds the card's balance will result in it being declined. To avoid this, it is essential to check the gift card balance before making a purchase, which can be done online or by calling the customer support number listed on the back of the card. Another reason for a declined card is expiration, as every Visa gift card has a designated expiration date printed on the front. Using an expired card will automatically result in it being declined, so it is crucial to verify the expiration date before use. If the card has expired, purchasing a new one is the best course of action. Additionally, some Visa gift cards require activation before use, and failure to do so can cause the card to be declined. To resolve this issue, it is necessary to activate the card as soon as it is received, which can be done online or by calling the toll-free number provided on the card. By being aware of these potential issues, you can take steps to prevent your Visa gift card from being declined.